This guy is an artist like you've never seen before. He makes amazing art with an old typewriter, creating incredible drawings just by using the keys. His videos are so enjoyable to watch, from the visuals to the soothing sound of the typewriter. He makes portraits of famous monuments, and the level of detail is unbelievable. It's amazing how he turns a vintage machine into beautiful art. He even creates some stop-motion images with this machine. What do you think about his talent? Drop a comment and let me know.